share, and follow to support Florida Car Show at flcarshow.com.
This is the real deal. The pink Cadillac right here. Man. If you're a tri-fi lover, you gotta love this. Coupe de Ville in pink. 1957. Look at this interior. Wow. This is Elvis style right here with the fuzzy dice and everything. Man, pink Cadillac. I think I got a whole song about this car. Never seen one in real life. Wow, pinky pink. Now I've seen everything. Look at that. Even got the gold plate on the front. Man, this is a collector right here. '57, man. You want to see more cool, iconic cars like this? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.